I think that really the great potential of art is to pose questions on the one hand, complicated questions, not necessarily to provide a very straightforward answer, but to pose a question, number one. But number two, an even greater potential is to move the public, to move them. And by that I mean emotionally and also physically. The theme of happiness within the Biennale is one of a sort of resistance, a resistance to a world which feels very, very challenging at this moment, and people must retain hope, retain dreams, retain spirit, retain community, and fight for a future. I come with a new work called Standard Flag, which is a water vapor flag, a white flag, which suggests that our future will have to be a sustainable one, first of all. I also come with another quite different work, which is an iridescent python that performs a figure of 8. But I would say the standard flag, the iridescent python, they speak about balance, both. They speak about exchange, and they speak about, I would say, a kind of equality in a way. So, yeah, but we bring them to Bogotá, we put them in the public domain, and it is for the public to judge. I would say that it doesn't matter where, anywhere. As an artist, I am most committed to the public space. And by the public space, I mean the street. Or the plaza, or I'm very interested that a member of the public, of any public, a public that is privileged, a public that is not privileged, any public can come here. And there is no impediment to access, none. So irrespective of whether it's in New York or whether it's in Bogotá or London, I really fight to put the work in the public on the street. In the Lincoln Center, you have a space of culture, the Metropolitan Opera, etc. Here you have a church, the Lady of the Waters, which is a very deeply historic and cultural site. So I need to understand it, but I'm interested in this place. I have a lot to learn about Colombia. I'm learning about its relationship to the forest, its relationship to sustainable energies. I've learned about wind and hydro and these sustainable energies, so I will learn more about that. In a funny way though, the standard flag, the one that I present, is a strange hybrid work. It is a scene in Nevada, and it's a flag made from water vapor, which has no color. So mostly flags are blue or red or green or yellow, or they're often a national flag or football or whatever it is. So here we have a flag which has no color. And I would propose that carbon dioxide which rises in Los Angeles will cause the temperature to rise in Bogotá. We don't live in a distinct world with barriers. We live in a world that is absolutely connected with the atmosphere. We share one atmosphere. So I would say both of my works, which I bring to Bogotá, are less strictly local and more of a universal potential. And we will see. I will put them here and we will open the discussion.
Aquí sí pasa. Bogotá, mi ciudad, mi casa. Alcaldía Mayor de Bogotá.